Oh, all right. The car I think is done. Fresh paint. I'm just gonna take a peek at it. Probably grab it tomorrow or Thursday. Let's see. What's good, bro?
Chilling?
Yeah.
Coming back? How's everything, huh?
All right.
Chilling?
Hello. Why are you looking at me like that?
Yo, check it, right?
Uh-huh.
Let me see what I do with your thing already. Them guys never got back to you, right?
Nah, and I went over there.
I sent them something to the other place. They have two. They have one in Madison.
Manasquan. I heard of that.
Yeah, I
That's
sent them another one, certified though,
oh, okay.
to Manasquan. So they're gonna come up one way or another. You know,
Yeah.
Just hide them. We'll get them sooner or later.
Yeah, that's crazy. Cause that was the one of, like you know, where they do the registration and everything for you. That was one of those places.
Let me get it.
Wow.
You wanna go see Joe on your phone?
Yeah. Hey, now I got a question. If I want to leave it here for like 30 days, talk to him. All right. So I mentioned it to him.
It's about food though.
Huh? Yeah. I didn't see it yet, but.
My night. But you talk to Joe.
All right.
He'll show you what I do.
It's all done. It's just marinate and you can't really see it. It's covered up. The wing is off. They got it covered so it don't get all dusty. Yeah, she covered up, boy. Wow. Cause I wanna clear wrap it, you know. I got the headers. I didn't even, I showed you the headers. I know y'all wanted to see. I gotta change that. I'm probably gonna wrap it. Oh, I gotta tell them about the passenger side door too. When I hit the button manually. It doesn't open, unlock, I mean, when I hit the button manually, because the last guy was messing with it, didn't do it the right way. What's up?
Good.
So she just marinating right now, just.
Yeah, I cover because
Yeah.
get fucking dust.
Yeah, I don't want to get dusty.
What you decide? You gonna do the car complete?
Well, yeah, well, I want to do.
I spoke to the guy and he tell me leave the wing off.
Yeah, I want. Yeah, leave the
he
wing
said-
off so
he said put the tail lights because he said the tail lights doesn't matter because he said he's gonna do by the edge. I spoke to him. He's I think Friday.
Oh, okay.
He said Friday. He saw the car. But I don't know what you guys decide, you know. And
No, I
don't-
told him I wanted to do the whole car.
And I don't put this molding here. You know the black molding?
Yeah.
Because the molding is only clip around and got two little pieces of tape, double-sided tape. I put the tape before you take it and you just clip it on.
Okay.
See? I don't put it on because do we do the thing? You see that? No, you see?
Yeah.
you see it's only clip.
All clips.
And there's a little tape here and a little tape here.
Oh yeah, that's nothing.
Okay?
Nice.
And
You know what this this wire is for?
What?
I was thinking about it. It's for the, I think it's for the convertible to come. You know how when you clip, like the convertible won't come down unless you had that little sunscreen up in the back in the trunk.
I know.
Yeah.
I know, because that fucking shit fucked my head.
Yeah.
You know, I put the thing down because I need to fucking, move all the stuff on the trunk, when I take the tail lights, and I put the screen down.
Yeah.
And I leave it down, and when I start taping the car, all the fucking shit, I close the trunk, and I want to open the fucking, the fucking roof. Fucking shit don't work. I said, what the fuck what I did? And I said, maybe I put fucking tape on top of the sensors or something, and fucking start fucking going fucking crazy.
Yeah.
I look from inside, and when I see in the dash said curtain, I said, oh shit, that's the fucking thing. Lucky, at least I fucking figured it out.
Yeah. Well, I would have told you if you'd have called me.
I know that the thing gotta be in this position,
And I think the antenna, it's either the antenna, this is the antenna for the radio.
Oh, probably.
So those gotta, yeah,
Probably for that.
for the antenna.
The
Cause
thing is no fucking wires coming
I
out of
know,
the wing.
that's
You
crazy. Yeah, I
There's
don't,
no wires coming out of the wing. That's why when I fucking start taking off, I said, where's this fucking shit going?
yeah.
Fucking crazy. I don't know, maybe that.
Yeah, maybe the wing.
You just gotta let me know when you're ready
Well,
to take
so,
it,
you said to let me know what you want to do as far as leaving it here for like 30 days. Did the guy say he wanted to come here and do it and wrap it, or he can't wrap it here? It's too dirty, right? It's too dusty.
It's better doing the right spot.
Yeah, and it got to be warm, I think, too.
I don't know how he do it. I think I think he probably got a garage to do that.
Yeah, he got a garage to do it.
You check with him when you want the car. You just let
Well,
me know.
I don't. Well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably tow it there. I'm gonna put it on a tow truck, cover it, and tow it to him. I don't want to have not a nick.
I understand.
So I'm
Just let me know when you want to do. Maybe for next week? It's up to you.
Yeah. Well, I think he said 30 days to let the paint.
Oh, he told you that?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I know the front is already done.
Yeah.
It's ready.
Yeah.
So I was like, damn, maybe I just have him do the front. Then I could drive. I just want to drive it a couple times, and then I ain't drove it in like
What
a
color?
couple months. Huh?
You gonna put what color? You gonna use?
No, clear wrap.
Oh, clear, right?
Clear, yeah. Clear, all clear. Cause I don't want to mess the paint up. I don't want the bumper, cause this bumper, I painted this bumper. This is like the 4th time, because as soon as you get on the fucking road,
It's slow.
even slow.
No, I say that car is too low.
Oh no, just the rocks and
Oh, the rocks
the
is coming,
debris.
and-
Yeah, it just and that
Make a little hole.
yeah, and well, he'll tell you, and it annoys me. So I said, you know what? That's why I came and met you, and I was like, the other guy I had, he painted it 3 times, and I was like, bro, I shouldn't have to paint the car every year. Since I bought the car brand new, I said I shouldn't have to keep painting it and I'm talking about literally, not even the next day, and I wasn't even on the highway. I'm like, how am I getting little rock? So when I'm gonna come, I'm gonna cover it, and then
Check with him when
So-
you want the car. You understand?
Yeah.
And I keep a cover for
so
now,
it's been
you know.
you finished painting it what on Saturday or Monday?
I finished Saturday.
All right, so Saturday.
When I paint the car, what?
Sa-
Thursday or Friday, right?
Yeah, it was. Yeah, I think I came here Saturday. It was in the booth. Yeah, so 30 days from now.
You need a month.
Yeah,
Month.
yeah.
In the middle of the February.
That long. Oh,
Before New
shit.
Year's.
Huh?
When he brought the car.
No. It's in the middle of the February. Today is what?
Oh, did you do the remember the passenger side door?
No, I don't check it yet. I got
Check that
the
for me.
just thing, right?
Yeah, it won't like when I go to.
I'm gonna see if I can figure it out.
It can't be. I'm
you
telling.
understand?
I think
Because I'm
they
not sure.
Yeah. I think
know.
it's just something ain't connected, like whatever, a push plug or whatever, something because it worked, and when they painted the car, they had took it apart or whatever, and they put it back. Something they didn't put back together.
Okay.
That made it.
I see you. You know, I'm gotta take the panel off to see if it's connected or not.
Okay.
And I check it for you.
On the passenger side.
The other side, right?
And what was something else we wanted to look at under the car? I forgot that.
You tell me about the rim. You said the suspension in the back. Remember? You
Oh
tell me?
yeah.
But I'm under the car and
Nah,
I see
I'm about to
everything's
change
fine.
that. I'm gonna change the whole.
Suspension.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a race suspension on it.
Okay. But I look, me and the body man, and the thing is, there's no frame damage. That thing is fucking cross member, arms,
Yeah. Now
and it's hard to see.
I
you know.
googled it, right, and yeah, it's all independent. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
So
everything's separate.
yeah, everything's
Yeah.
separate. So I'm gonna just do the whole rear because I got the wheel alignment twice.
Yeah, you told me.
Yeah, I went to the dealership and I went to a specialist, and the specialist was like, yo, it's off like your hair. He got it, and then I took it to the dealership. They said it'll drive straight,
Yeah.
but it's something that's like off by like a smidget. But I plan on making this car a race car. So like, that's why I want to.
When you put the suspension.
Yeah, then it's gonna be good.
Yeah.
All right, so next week what I do is bring some money to you, and then
Yeah, you check with him.
yeah. And I'm gonna give him a call and let him know that the car just finished. So how many days? Whatever day, 30 days. That's the day.
Okay.
All right, thanks. All right, buddy. Okay, so you guys see it. The car is finished, but he's gonna take a look at a few things, and we're gonna go from there. Yes, yeah. I can't wait until it's clean, you know what I mean, the dust and the wrap. So he said that I'm gonna call the guy that's gonna wrap it, and I'm gonna tell him it finished on Saturday. How many days? Because that's why I want to send it there straight from here. I'm gonna bring it, put it on a trailer, and I'm gonna tow it there. I'm gonna cover it, and I'm gonna tow it there so he can right from here wrap it, clear wrap.
All right.
All right. And then
He was here. He saw it.
Huh?
He saw it.
Yeah. He came by, right? Yeah, that's what he said. He said he saw it. He was like, nah, I'm excited. I said, Dad, the front is already ready to wrap because I think he said like 30 days, right? Before I can wrap, 30 or 40 days.
Yeah, because the paint got a cure.
Yeah. So I don't want to rush it, even though I want to take it for a drive. But I don't want because that car, yo.
Check with him because I think he has a garage that he can put it in.
Oh yeah.
Check with him.
Yeah, I'm gonna call him.
Say,
and
do you have
look.
any space for it? And he'll tell you because he has two car garage over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know he got his Honda in one, but the other one had a old Samurai in it. He could probably pull that up and put yours in there.
I don't want him to mess around and be like, let me wrap it now.
Nah. You know that shit. That shit
He's like,
that
oh, I can. I want that shit to be, because I'm not painting that shit no more. That's gonna be last time I paint that car. Because once I finish paying that off, I got some other things I want to get. I was looking at this Corvette, what was it? It was like a 03. What's that? A C5. They wanted 10 grand for it. It had 100,000 miles, but I go pull the engine out and build it up. You know what I mean? Like that's what I'm gonna do. Well, I'm gonna have to do that too. I'm putting drop-in pistons and rods and supercharger and everything. The suspension, changing that. The wing, it's gonna be crazy. Cause I told you I'm doing the YouTube. I'm recording now. I'm doing the YouTube.
Make sure that on sometime you come through here,
So you're
pick me up, right? You come through here, pick me up, we go to strip club.
Yeah, we can definitely do that. Yeah, man. Yeah, so nah, I'm like,
I'll be having a whole strip club model on your car, yo.
huh?
I'll be having a whole strip club model at your car.
Word, go get that bad footage. That's what's up. All right, well, I'll probably I'm gonna give him a call and see what he say.
I'm gonna let you know on that other thing.
Yeah, let me know on that, and then we bring that, and cause I ain't getting rid of my little minivan. That's my little. I love driving
That's
that.
the hooked up
Yeah,
thing, yo.
I put so much money in that. The suspension, tires, water pump, timing belt, everything, brakes.
Built it from
I
top to bottom.
everything. Then this guy hit and run, and that was painted once. No, twice actually. I think that was painted. Like the door was painted because somebody sideswiped it once. I had it fixed, and I'm just like, well, I tell you, it's always something.
Word up, man. One thing's another, yo.
For real. And now, my truck, cause the other guy I was dealing with, he's a real good guy. You might even know him. What's the name of the shop? It's on the other side of town. Oh, I can't think of the name of the shop. But the bumper, after like a month, I got rock chips. I'm like, how I got rock chips? I ain't even hit the highway. Yeah, but he was telling it was the top of the line paint. He was like, it's the top of the line paint. He painted the car a couple times. Like, he painted the bumper, then one time he did the rear quarter panel. You know what I mean? Like, and I'm like, I said, I can't keep going to him because he painted my big truck. I got a big old bubble that the paint. I'm like, and he painted the minivan, he painted my SUV. I done gave him tons of business, you know what I mean? And I ain't talking about this is over like a 3-year period.
Yeah.
He did. He painted that car like 3 times. My SUV painted, my big truck he just painted. He just did the big truck. I told him don't do the sleeper, just do the hood and the cab. And he did that. I'm like, it's always something.
Yeah.
I shouldn't keep it like, bro. So,
You gonna see the difference from here to there, yo.
yeah, nah, I can't wait. But once it's wrapped, it's gonna be preserved. So, you know what I mean? So, all right, let me get out of here, bro.
Good seeing you, friend.
No doubt, you too. I heard. See y'all later. Okay. Woo. So, these guys are real good. Miracle Auto Sales. Auto and Sales. So the car is done. I wanted to marinate. I want the car to just marinate, let the paint cure where, I don't have, any more problems, with this car, like painting it. Like I could have got the engine done, built up. I could have got the supercharger. All them times, I got the headers already. Matter of fact, what time is it? It is, it's 3:30. I'll show you guys another day. I'm tired. I've been up all day busting my ass. I am. And then I just came from the gym. I got footage of that. Like, I'm gonna really try this YouTube thing. A lot of people I follow and subscribe to, they inspire me. I watch YouTube every day, so I said I might as well start getting footage and doing footage, because everybody that I follow, they I'm listening, so I'm like, they say just put it out there. Shout out to Mr. Organic. One day, me and him could do a little collabo. I know I ain't gonna be able to do it right now because I ain't ready for him. But I listen to him and tall guy. Slim. Mod the Fame. I like him. There's a bunch of them. Motor Tube. It's a bunch. Street Speed, CSP, that's where I want to take the car. They don't even know yet, you know what I mean, because I gotta listen, I'm balling on a budget, you know what I mean, meaning, hey, I ain't got all the money, I'm just, buying parts, and I'm, trying to, collect the parts. Like, I had the Rotofab, Big Goat. I done had that for like over a year, and that was because CSP, they told me about it. I bought that, and then I just bought the CSP headers. Andrew, Andrew, he's so funny. I like Andrew a lot. He seems so genuine. I can't wait to meet him, and let him put work into the car, do the job. But I bought the headers. I got a dilemma. The dilemma is I don't know if I should do the drop-in pistons and the head, or do the Magnuson 2650 and then do the heads and the pistons later, And then of course I want to get the big boy cam, CSP big boy cam. Like I've been following them guys, watching them for a minute. I watch what's them guys over there in Delaware? Can't think of the name. Like got brain fart right now. Them guys are real cool, and I like what they're doing. But them guys are super expensive. You see all the NFL players and basketball players, and they're real big out there. My little tail right here. I tie it up when I go to the gym because that should be leaking everywhere. But I'm hoping that you guys like and subscribe to my channel. I'm just starting out. It don't cost you a thing to subscribe and like. Whether you like it or not. I mean, when I watch, sometimes I forget. I ain't gonna hold you. Sometimes I forget to like, but I subscribe. And I remember a tall guy, he used to always talk about, let me put this phone down, I'm holding this shit. He used to always talk about how, the points or something like that. I can't think of it. He always talk about how, the CP points or some shit like that. The views and shit. Watch the whole video through. Because when you watch the whole video through, I guess that's when they get syndicated or something. I don't know. But I used to just, I'm a truck driver. So I just, I'll be watching all his shit and just let it run through. Him and Mr. Again, I've been watching them cats for like 3 years almost. Back from when Tall Guy had the Hell Keezy, the first one, the what is it, Till? His brothers and all that. His brother's a truck driver too, and Officer Jones. But I'm new at this, so I might stutter sometimes, but I'm really gonna try, man. Like, and hopefully y'all just check me out. I got a lot of stuff that I'm into: cars, motorcycles. I got 2 Harleys. I got this GMC Yukon XL lifted with the big tires. I don't even think I did no footage on this, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just put do videos and just start putting it out, and they're gonna be long videos, but like I like long videos. When I watch the guys, when I see a video that's like 25, 30 minutes, I'll be souped up. You know why? Because I get halfway down the highway, 30 miles, down the highway, and I just watch her all night. I get up in the middle of the night, midnight, 1 o'clock, to do what I do. You know what I mean? Trucking is a hard job and long hours. So, but I'm gonna just start recording and just letting it run. And those who want to watch the whole thing, they can watch the whole thing. Those that don't, then don't. But subscribe. You can still subscribe. It ain't cost you a thing to subscribe and to follow. You ain't gotta watch. I would love for you to watch, but if you ain't feeling me, then you just ain't feeling me. Oh, Joel, I've been watching him doing the pranks, the gold digger pranks. I want to do a couple of those, cause some of them look real and some of them look fake. But I'm like, it's entertaining. So even if it's fake, you know what I mean? It's entertaining. It's like watching a show, a TV show. You know what I mean? The dialogue, the skit, whatever. Big what's the name, my man? I can't think. I think Big my man. Yo, he funny as hell, yo. With the yams and shit, yo. I watch a bunch of guys. Armageddon, I watch him. You know what I mean? I wanted to turbo my Camaro so bad, yo. He had me souped. I wanted to turbo my Camaro. Watching his stuff, he had me wanting to turbo it, and I was like, damn. I was like, turbo over supercharger, because I could control the boost with the turbo. I don't know if you could control it. I don't think you could control it once they do dyno program and all that. Superchargers. If you got 800 to the wheel, that's it. But with the turbo, you got the boost controller. You could turn it down if you want. But I guess you can control the boost, because look at the Hellcats. They got the key to, I don't know how much that will cost. The red key, the black key, and then you can punch it in. So I guess you can, but that's probably cost a lot to do that shit. Anyway, I guess I am gonna go and show y'all the headers. I had a little quick video with the headers, but it ain't dark yet, so I'm gonna just go over there and I got this goddamn mask on. It's bugging right now. It's hot as hell. Take this big ass army coat off too. Ah, shit! I just came from the gym. Oh, I'm so goddamn sore. Oh shit! Whew. Catching a goddamn cramp. Oh, shucks. Y'all seen the pump in the gym? You saw what it looked like. The shit was on fleek. But I hope it pop off, man. I see a lot of cats making big money doing this YouTube. I think my headset's is about to die. I got my shit cornrow. I cornrolled my shit myself to the side. I ain't gonna hold you. I got this idea watching Mr. Organic Love. He a real dude. You know what I mean? Like, I fucks with him heavy. I watch his shit, and I'm not just like him, but you know what I mean. I like the shit he talk about, and he keep it real. He keep it 100. Yo, he funny as hell too. I remember he did the Q&A with his girl, Champ. Did the Q&A with her, and that shit was funny as hell. I've been following him. Same thing with Tall Guy. He just, his content, King of Downtown, you already know. But hopefully this YouTube thing pop for me. I mean, I'm a truck driver. I make decent money. I own the truck. It's mine. But Uncle Sam, that nigga don't play. He want his. So it's rough. Trucking ain't easy. I've been, teaching and explaining to people, trucking ain't easy. It seems like you got a lot of money. You might get a lump sum, but you gotta put some of that up. And then sometimes you can't put it up, and sometimes you don't want to put it up, but you gotta put it up, and you end up owing taxes and everything. That's a whole nother story and scenario. But if I could start doing this YouTube, cause I don't want to be trucking, forever. I just want to truck for a little something. I've been trucking for a while though, But yeah, I'm gonna have truck driving footage. I got old videos and new videos. I'm gonna just post all of them, and then y'all just get an idea of who I am and what I'm about. I'm gonna get, different videos gonna have different content, but it's gonna be a bunch of content. I see it, yo. It's crazy, yo. Crazy. I was thinking, should I put the YouTube tag on my car? I'm like up in the air about it. But I think I'm probably gonna do it. After I get it wrapped, of course they're gonna retint it. I don't know if I should do it right away, because I'll be all around. You know what I mean? Somebody see my, I'm probably gonna do it. Now that I'm thinking about it, if I put it on a car, people that like the car, they're gonna go and check the channel out and subscribe to it. You know what I mean? They're gonna see the car, they're gonna like the car, they're gonna try to read it, and then when they read it, hopefully they go, and when they watch the video, they click subscribe and whatever else they gotta do. I'm gonna learn this shit. I'm gonna learn it. And see what happens. Driving slow as hell through the city. Through the city of Newark, New Jersey. So probably gonna, hold up. Oh man, my arms are so sore. I'm almost there anyway. Should I turn 14? Yeah, I'll turn 14. Oh yeah, that's right, they paid 14. So it's nice and smooth. If anybody got any questions about me, or want to know something about me that I didn't, say or whatever, you can. Y'all get to know me as time go on, and get to know my friends and family. But damn, that's a little orange lint from my mask I had on when I was. Wait, I don't know where that came from actually. It's an orange little piece of lint. Alright, damn. I'm almost there, and I don't think there's no sense of pausing, because we're like 2 blocks away. Switch it and turn it now. Yeah, I could give y'all some street footage. We'll give you some street footage. Wait, do they? Yeah, it don't matter. Same shit. Harley Davidson. I keep hatching my Yo, I keep hats up there because I be changing hats all the time. So you know I got hats over there. Got a hat, you know, gym hat. Well, that ain't really a gym hat, but you know, I wore it today at the gym. So here's my clubhouse. I'm a soul survivor. Motorcycle club. Don't laugh at my headline, I gotta change it. Is that E? He back there. What the hell he doing? I don't know. Alright. Let's get on out. Damn, I just took the goddamn coat off. Now I'm gonna put it back on.